My best friend name is Usman. He is 1 year older than me. He is expert in mathematics. When teacher asks any question about maths, he always raises his hand to answer, which shows how intelligent he is. We always go to school together. We play different games in break time. We sit together in class. He always tries to help me in study. He always focus on study. And never wastes his time. Because he wants to be a scientist. And wants to invent something new in his life. He also knows how to use social media positively. He is punctual in class and always does his work properly and in time. There are many things in his personality that attract the teachers towards him. He is a good sportsman and also expert in riding a skateboard. He has won many competitions in skateboard. He is a bookworm and always found in the library to read books. Because he believes that books are your best friends. Our class teacher also likes him for his good behavior, intelligence, and discipline in his life. In short, he is a blessing of Almighty Allah. May Allah give him good health and Iman.